Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo and welcome to another video here in my channel. So for today's video, I will teach you how to put a timestamp on your YouTube videos. So before we start, let's roll that intro. So in this video, I will teach you how and why you should put timestamp on your YouTube videos. Let's start with the how. So right now, we're here in youtube.com. So first, you will go to your YouTube studio. So here in our YouTube studio, pupunta ka lang sa videos panel, then pipili ka ng video na gusto mong lagyan ng timestamp. Let's choose this one. So, edit the details, then let's go here in the description. So, we'll just label it timestamp. Let's put an S. Timestamps. Then, just type 0, then colon, 00. As you can see, kamukha siya nung time na nasa YouTube video mismo na nandito. Yan. Simple as that. Let's label it as intro. Then, let's put something like 9 minutes, around 9 minutes, end. So, let's see. Let's click the save button. Then, let's wait for it to be saved. Then, let's see if it will work. As you can see here, meron na siyang label dito na nakalagay ay intro. And if pumunta tayo sa 9-minute mark, there you go. Meron na siyang nakalagay na end. Meron na nga siyang ganito. Let's see if mag-work naman siya if i-click natin yung link na nasa description natin ngayon, which is nandito. Yan. If pag pumunta tayo sa 0, 0, 0, pupunta siya sa umpisa. Then, if pumunta tayo ng 9-minute mark, let's see if pupunta siya ng 9-minute mark. There you go, it's loading. There you go. There. So, that's how you will put a timestamp in your YouTube videos. Napakadali lang, di ba? So, yon. Pwede ka nang mag-next ng other video ko. Pero, bago yon, sabi ko nga sa umpisang video na to, hindi lang ito how, kundi why. Bakit ba natin kailangan ilagay yung timestamp sa YouTube videos natin? Since timestamp or chapter is a new YouTube feature, mamahalin tayo ni YouTube kapag ginawa natin or ginamit natin yung feature na ito. More likely, isasuggest tayo ni YouTube sa kanyang homepage. Pero, alam naman natin na it may apply other factors as well. This timestamp will just add to your chance na ma-feature ni YouTube or ma-suggest ni YouTube sa kanyang homepage. Jeff, paano po ito nalalaman? So, I installed TubeBuddy. So, doon ko makikita yung list na kailangan kong gawin, like yung info card, yung end card ko, yung thumbnail ko, kung meron ba ako, kung meron na ba akong comments na na-pinned or comments na na-heart. So, lahat yon may checklist si TubeBuddy sa gilid ng YouTube video ko at doon ko malalaman kung nagawa ko na ba yung YouTube best practices which is approved by YouTube since TubeBuddy is legit, as in legit YouTube partner or YouTube tool na pwede natin gamitin. So kung gusto mong malaman pa lahat ng to, you can download that TubeBuddy for free. Just click the link in my description down below. So, ano ba natutulong nitong timestamp sa ating mga viewers or subscribers? So, these timestamps make our videos more worth watching sa YouTube. Para lang siyang book na meron kang table of contents sa description na malalaman ng viewers mo ano ba yung content mo, ano-ano ba yung parts ng content mo, like kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa video na to, naka-segment na siya, kung ano yung na-expect nyo sa video na to. So, pwede nyo i-click kung saan yung kailangan nyo or kung saan yung hinahanap nyo about this video. Oo, mababawasan yung watch hours natin. Pero, di ba nga, we make videos because we want to help our subscribers and our viewers. So, by doing this, tinutulungan natin yung viewers natin na quickly mahanap nila yung kailangan nila. Like yung ginawa ko kanina, sobrang bilis. Siyempre, sobrang dali lang naman talaga gawin ng timestamp. Kaya, yun yung inuna ko. Then next is, eto. So, kung nakarating ka sa part ng video na to, ibig sabihin, curious ka sa ginagawa ng timestamp. So, as you can see, sa description na to, makikita mo na ito yung why part ng timestamps. Why do we need to do this timestamp? Because it will benefit our viewers and subscribers na mas mapadali yung experience nila watching our videos here on YouTube. So that's it for today. That's a very quick tutorial on how you put timestamp on your YouTube videos. So if you like this video, just click that like button, and if gusto mo pang matuto about photography, editing, and videography or YouTube tips, just click that subscribe button down there, and click mo na rin yung bell button if you want to be notified if magkakaroon tayo ng new videos and upcoming live streams. Like, meron tayong live stream later on, September 5, 2020, this coming Saturday, Philippine Standard Time at 8 p.m. So, if you want to watch that video, just click that set reminder on. So, you will be notified if magpe-play na yung live stream natin. Once again, that's on Saturday, September 5, 2020 at exactly 8 o'clock p.m. Philippine Standard Time. Once again, see you there. See you on that video. We will talk about Adobe Camera Raw, how we can edit on that software, why we need to shoot raw in our projects as well. Sir Edwin Martinez will be joining me in this live discussion, and magkakaroon po tayo ng live Q&A and live photo critic as well. So, see you there if willing kang matuto ng Adobe Camera Raw, which is a plugin in our Photoshop CC. So, there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Once again, this is Geronimo, and see you on my next video. Bye! Peace!